The regulated air pressure gauge is attached to the manifold on your air compressor. It reads the air pressure after it has been adjusted by the regulator. This is the pressure in the air hose that attaches to your air tools. After years of use, the gauge can quit working, usually due to corrosion or debris. The gauge can be accidentally broken if something falls on the compressor. Replacing the regulated pressure gauge is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you perform any work on your air compressor, make sure that it's unplugged and you've drained any air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the front panel from the compressor. This is the panel that the manifold attaches to. Now remove the panel from the manifold. Now I can remove the regulated pressure gauge. And I'll install the new gauge. The gauge comes with thread sealant already on the threads, so I just simply thread it into place. Now resecure the panel to the manifold. And I'll secure the panel to the compressor.